Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making idli dosa batter. So here I have taken a cup of urad dal and chana dal and I'm soaking them for around 6 hours. And then separate bowl I'm taking 2 cups of idli rice and I'll add around 6 cups of water. With rice, I'm adding around a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds as well. This helps in fermentation. And in a smaller bowl, I'm just adding a tablespoon of thick poha. So either you can soak poha like I am doing here, or you can skip this and add poha while you are grinding or blending the idli rice. So after soaking all 3 for 6 hours, I'll take my blending jar and I'll start with lentils. So this has to be a smooth and thick base. So you can see how thick it is. So if you feel the mixture is too thick to blend, you can always add ice cold water. But it should not be watery, it should have a thick consistency. So here's the final paste. In the same jar, I'm adding my idli rice with soaked fenugreek seeds. And this paste doesn't have to be smooth. It should be a little coarse. So you can, if you touch it, you can feel the rice granules. So now we will add soaked poha with the remaining rice and blend all together. So here is our final paste. I'm gonna take out all the batter, and now the trick is to mix and mix. So I mix it for good 1 to 2 minutes. And since I live in Canada, it's really cold here, so what I do, I always heat up my oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius, and then I keep my batter inside with the lights on for 10 to 12 hours. So next morning you can see the batter is fermented well and it has increased in volume. So now you can make crispy dosas, soft idlis, or uttappam. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.